Here is something important about Baidu's revenue falls for a fifth quarter as ads keep S that most people do not know. In 2026, this has become one of the most talked about topics in technology. In this video, we break down everything you need to understand about this. First, Baidu's revenue falls for a fifth quarter as ads keep S represents a major shift in how technology works today. Second, this affects millions of users and businesses around the world right now. Third, experts say this development could change how we use technology forever. Fourth, early adopters of this knowledge will have a clear advantage over others. Fifth, you can apply what you learn here starting from today at zero cost. Sixth, in 2026, this kind of knowledge is more valuable than most people realize. The key takeaway is that staying informed gives you a real competitive advantage. Start exploring this topic today and you will be ahead of most people immediately. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.